Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to report spam or abusive message on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on the chat of the user that you're trying to report. Tap on the eye icon at the top right of your screen. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on Report. Select the reason on why you're reporting. Tap on Submit Report at the bottom of your screen. Now you can simply tap on Submit. Once you tap on Submit, the chat will be sent for review. And that's it. This is how you report spam or abusive messages on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.